Welcome to the channel and also welcome to all of the new subscribers. I'm Kay and today's swatch sesh features the swatch sesh. Today's swatch sesh features the sweetest pink Valentine's Day nail polishes in my collection, and I am very excited about that because the thing is, this is actually the first time that I get to make a Valentine's Day video on this channel, and there's definitely a lot of love for pink here. So maybe you love pink too, maybe you are trying to find new pink nail polishes to buy, or maybe you're looking for some pink Valentine's Day nail polish inspiration. Either way, it is my absolute pleasure to help you out with that because I do have a nice pink stash of nail polish that I'm very proud of. So let's get into the sesh and check these out. 1000 Miles by Vanessa Molina. Starting from the ground up, what we have here is a warm-toned neon pink base that is nicely fed with a few elements like UCC flakes. We have some blue aurora shimmer. We also have some fuchsia colored metallic flakes and a small holographic glitter. In other words, there's a lot going on here, but the brand executed this in such a perfect way. All of these elements really do flow perfectly well together because honestly, this is one of the prettiest pink polishes that I own. It's definitely a favorite in my collection, and that base is quite sheer. I think we do have a jelly base here, but a total of 2 coats was enough for my short nails. So if you like pink, I mean, what can I say? This is one of those manicures that is going to have you looking at your nails too often. It's really, really beautiful, and I definitely recommend you get this one while you can. Sugar Venom 2023 by Pahlish. With Sugar Venom 2023, we have a light pink base with metallic red flakes scattered throughout, and those flakies, notice they're rather small, but the brand did add a fair amount of them, and you also do get a nice amount of them released with each and every brush stroke, so everything's fair here. The base is quite sheer as well, as you saw on that first application, so I would definitely move on to a second coat for better coverage. It's not really what I would consider an obnoxious pink shade, but it is definitely fun if you're looking for something a bit more than just a pink shade. Flamingo by Cirque Colors. This is one of my all-time favorite pinks. So Flamingo is part of Cirque's California Dreamin' collection. It is a limited edition shade that I do hope comes back so that you can get it if you haven't, because if you love pink, I'd say you definitely need this one. So of course we have that neon pink base, but it also has a nice amount of blue shimmer and a little hollow kiss, which is just a light touch of scattered hollow throughout that elevates this polish in just the right way. This is definitely not full coverage as you saw on that first coat, so do plan to move on to a second so that you can get the full impact of that amazing neon factor. You will definitely want that. Now, I think that Flamingo is comparable to Merkitten by Mooncap. I only say this from what I can see online since I don't actually own Merkitten. Someone in the comments may be able to chime in about that if you have both, but either way, somebody's eyeballs are gonna be on your nails when you wear this one. It's just one of those shades that I describe as eye addicting. What a Peach by KB Shimmer. What a Peach was released in last year's April PPU event, and starting from the ground up, it has a very light tinted base in a lovely pink color, and this pink tone is so nice. It's one of those really pretty pink tones that kind of just makes you love pink even more, which is good because honestly, other than that, What a Peach is quite the simple polish. There's really not much going on as far as elements go. The only thing we get here are those micro flakes that shift from yellow to gold to those peachy tones, and if I had to describe it using one word, I would absolutely say adorable, just because that light pink shifting to gold looks so innocent and kind of angelic. Honestly, this is definitely one for those of you who are looking for some Valentine's Day vibes on the nails but are not trying to be overwhelmed by a really strong pink tone. Baby Take a Bow by OPI. So staying on topic with these softer pink tones, what we have here in Baby Take a Bow is a very gentle, very soft tone of pink. It's basically like a barely there type of pink that I personally did not think I would enjoy. I got this polish at a store after the cashier told me that if I bought one more, I would get a discount. So this was my choice because I would not say no to a discount. So the formula here is very nice. It's a glider, you guys. It glides right on. However, it is quite sheer, but also somewhat buildable. So choose your coats depending on the coverage that you're looking for. Either way, the end result is going to be a very soft, very subtle. She is not attention seeking. She wants to soothe. She wants to comfort. This is definitely a gentle Valentine's Day look, but it can also serve as a nice base for some Valentine's Day nail art. Meet the Plastics by Glam Polish. You know, I had to flavor this video with a little bit of nail seasoning, which is my term of endearment for toppers, for those of you who don't know. But a lot of you probably do know that I love me a good topper, and Meet the Plastic is a great choice for Valentine's Day, although it was a limited edition shade, so it may or may not be available right now. However, you can take this as inspiration to maybe go find a topper that looks like this if this one's not available. So what we have here is a scattered holo running throughout that clear base, which is also holding neon pink and white circle and hex shaped glitters in a few different sizes. Pretty simple, not too much going on, but that is what makes it perfect to play with. So I do want to show you what this looks like over another polish. You can definitely rock this on its own for that sprinkled look on your nails, but let us try this over Baby Take a Bow because I do think that makes for a pretty sweet Valentine's Day combo. Pink Pony Club by Pahlish. All right, so let's shift gears into something that is quite overwhelming because this is a hot pink. It is a red pink tone that is super bright, but getting more detailed, the base has a pink tint and the shifts to magenta and gold and red are coming from those micro flakies. I think of this one as What a Peach's obnoxious sibling. It is super fun. I'm actually wearing it in the intro to this video. And in wearing it, I noticed it kind of looks like a metallic because of the way those flakies settle with one another. It kind of gives it that look. Now the color payoff is incredible as you saw, but it really does benefit from at least an extra coat just to get that full coverage. So for anyone here who is looking to proudly display their love of pink or just bright colors in general, this is one that is definitely and completely going to satisfy that need. Deeply Superficial by Holo Taco. Deeply Superficial was part of Holo Taco's 5th anniversary collection, the Mixed Emotions collection, which contained limited edition thermal shades, and this one was their pinky one. So as you can see here, application is starting off in the cold state, which is this bold magenta color, and then it transitions into a very light pink that is actually very similar to Baby Take a Vow. And then in addition to that, we do get those iridescent flakies and that beautiful scattering of holographic particles, which I think are excellent final touches here. I really wanted to include a thermal in this video, and going with this one was kind of a no-brainer. I do have a few pink thermals, but I just had to go with this one, guys. I'd say Deeply Superficial is a good Valentine's Day choice for those of you who can't really choose or decide between a gentle and a bold pink, or maybe those of you who just want both, like on the same nail. So I actually have a review of this collection on my channel, and I remember saying that this is a perfect princess pink nail polish. I have to say that I still agree with that. TLDL, these are the sweetest pink nail polishes in my collection, and I tried my best here to really try to think of everyone and bring in some options for those of you wanting to rock more gentle looks, but also for those of you who want all of the attention on your nails during this special holiday. Although, if you happen to be watching this, but you're also anti-Valentine's, I mean, I don't know how that works, but regardless, I got you. Next Tuesday, I will be uploading some anti-Valentine's Day nail polishes because, you know, I have to keep some type of balance on this channel. So, until then, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.